Hello dear friends! Sometimes due to changing the name or location of a file, that file becomes red in DaVinci and the software cannot access it. There are many ways to solve this problem. Here we have 3 of the easiest ones. In Media Pool, right-click on the file and select Relink selected clips. Then select the folder where the file is and click on Select Folder. Pay attention that the software looks for a file in that folder that has the same name as your file. You can import the file itself into DaVinci or replace it with another file. To do this, in Media Pool, right-click on the file and select Replace Selected Clip. Then select the file you want and click Open. DaVinci can automatically find missing clips. To relink them, just click on the Relink Media button and specify the new path of the files. Then click on Select Folder. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.